MJ, I'm going to Dudhsagar now. Hi, hello, what's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. This is Nandini, and I think by this title you already know where am I exactly. Yes, I made it to Dudhsagar, guys. This was my dream destination to visit since so long years ago. I really have to tell you this. In 2014, when my friend had been to this place and he showed me pictures, I think had been on a weekend and he showed me the picture, and I was so super angry at him because he didn't tell me and he didn't take me. And ever since 2014, I so desperately wanted to go to this place. So finally made it. Wow. I welcome all of you to Dudhsagar. So this trip was through what was that? Exploron. So through Exploron, I have met few of the people here. I like to introduce them. This is a beautiful hot Priya, and I don't know.
Hi, Sandeep.
Sandeep from
Bangalore.
Bangalore, and yes, this is Anu from Bangalore, and Kiran from Bangalore again.
Samina from Bangalore.
Samina, I keep forgetting her. Samina, and
Vinay from Chitradurga.
Vinay from Chitradurga, and here we go, Mr. Sukendru from Explore On. Alright, so we have started right now. So we're supposed to leave around 6:30. It was the instruction was given to us. It was exactly on 6:30, but so now it is 8 o'clock. We're literally late, so we'll have to head. But we're waiting for the lunch to get packed, so we really have to carry our lunch. So that's what we're waiting for. So I think from here we'll get started. Again,
I'm
please.
saying make sure you're not littering, okay? Because it is a wildlife sanctuary, okay, an eco zone. Carry your waste bag, okay, or else there are some dustbins, you can put it down there. But if in case you are dropping and you are found while littering, then it is 4,000 rupees fine straight. Okay? Chalo then, good luck for the trek. Do well, come back. रहना मत जाना वहाँ पे. हाँ, safe तो आओगे. Come back is the most important part. चलो then. See you. Bye bye.
See you.
Good day.
Bye.
It's exactly 8:14 right now, and the estimated back by around 4:30, 5 o'clock. There's a train passing. There's so many people out there. Can you see? It's been almost 30 minutes that the trek is begin. And so sunny, it's already, though it is early morning, I feel like it's afternoon and it has like 30-35 degrees Celsius. Oh my god, I'm so super sweaty right now. So we're walking on this track right now, the railway track. And this is gonna take for about 4 kilometers on track. And then we'll have the proper road, I guess. And then it's gonna be inside the forest. Let me tell you when we actually started this trip. It was, I think today is a Saturday, so yesterday it was Friday. Around 3 o'clock we got the train. It was exactly on time train that we boarded, and so 3 o'clock it's left and we reached here around 3:30 in the morning. Oh my god, it was such a disaster. So we actually booked a train ticket, not we, from Exploron. It was not confirmed tickets that we had. It was just like a waiting ticket, like RSS. I really don't know. RSE. So RSE. It was like RSE tickets, which does not have the confirmation. And the guy said it's going to be on Sleepbird. And again, while we were leaving, and he's saying that we'll have to talk to TT. We'll have to talk to TC. I don't know. So this is the first time that I was traveling from train for such a long distance. Like I used to travel just like 50 kilometer, 100 kilometer. That's all. And we usually don't book a tickets like this through online, and we just buy a tickets from the counter, and I mean that's how we travel. But this was like book a ticket and wait for the confirmation. I don't know what is the terms called, Tatkal, RSS, confirmed. I don't know. I never come across this such until now. And yeah, so that's what. So we did not have a confirmed tickets, and we'll have to wait for the TC to allocate the seats. We boarded and the train started. We had like a seating kind of, you know, the seats that we had, which was arranged to us. It was so damn uncomfortable. And after reaching, there was a guy was waiting for us. He just came. He picked us. We again walked towards the resort, which is Jungle Book. So there we had a sharing-based stay. From 3:30 till 6:30, we just took a nap, and then we got ready, and that's how the journey started. We just had a breakfast and we had some briefing, and ever since we kept walking. I feel like my energy is already drained out because of the sun. It's a long way to go. I'll tell you a story about walking on the track. When I was a kid, I think 5th or 6th grade, I'm literally not sure about it. When I was 5th or 6th, maybe, and I used to keep visiting my mom's place because I used to live with my grannies and grandpa, right? So when I was going to my mom's place, and I used to walk on the track, the railway track, because that was very near. From my grand's place to my mom's place was like 2-3 kilometers. So if you walk on the track, it'll be reduced. It doesn't seem to be that long. So I used to walk on this track, right? And I used to count this track. My head will be watching towards the floor, and just count and keep going and walk faster. Is that how I used to do it? And one day I was doing the same. But what happened? The train was approaching. So I did not even realize that there was a train was coming. And then all of a sudden, the honk was so strong and it was so loud. And he honked it again. I saw the train was coming, and then, oh my God, it was just a click. It was just the seconds. Otherwise, I think I would have died by this time. Not sure. That was so horrific. I think 4 kilometers is done on the track, and we're walking on this road right now. So 4 kilometers on the track and 2.5 kilometers on near the check post. And from check post to falls, it's going to be another 3.5 kilometers, and there it's going to be a beautiful, a gorgeous falls. Alright, yes, he's our guide. He's our guide, and his name is Samir. Yes, bro. You tell me, I'm so super tired right now. How is this? How far again?
We have total 5 kilometers left from here to this point. We are entering the Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary.
It is Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary. So guys, we were actually walking on the track for about 4 kilometers. We're on this path right now. So from here again it is 3.5.
3.5 near the temple, then 2.5 from there to go to waterfall.
Feels like
हम लोग इधर से
This is the check post.
हाँ
Is the check post.
हाँ ये चेक पोस्ट है.
Right, finally we reached a check post. Here we are. Finally we are taking a glucose break. Guys, do you guys have energy still?
Yes. Yes.
Alright, glucose break. Yes, all of them have the energy yet. I'm completely drained out, guys. Exhausted. We crossed the train track and again walking inside the forest.
Excited and exhausted.
Here is the checkpoints, and here we have the officer, the forest officer, to take our safety, and he'll take care of the safety and responsibility. And we paid around 100 rupees per person to get inside the forest to reach the falls. So finally, again another 3.5 kilometer. I don't know how long it's gonna take. It's been almost 3 hours. Look at me, I'm so red. We were expecting rain. I mean, the guide was mentioning about it's gonna rain, so that's why we carried all rain jacket and all of the things. But it doesn't seem to be it's gonna rain. It's so super sunny today. As I said before, it's gonna be around 25-30 degrees Celsius. Not sure. Oh my God, baby. That's our team. I don't think so. Anybody has energy. Trust me.
I have.
All right, let's go. From here again, 3.5 kilometer. I don't know. Is it gonna be the same way? Do we have a better road? I'm not sure. Guys, from the resort until here, I don't think so I found any sort of a plastic, but from here, we are actually heading from check post and we heading towards the Dudhsagar. Look at this. We should be very responsible citizen. Being a traveler, I think I think they already have some sort of a rule saying littering and then throwing a plastic here and there. There are 4,000 rupees as a penalty, but still people don't listen. Look at this garbage. And the plastic everywhere. Look at this. We almost near the waterfalls right now. I'm so super excited. I can see the waterfalls from here, only a little, and I can hear the rushing sound through the steep. Oh my God, it's so exciting. Welcome to Dudhsagar! Finally, we are at the Dudhsagar. Oh my God. I mean, so we actually have a viewpoint at the side and I couldn't get the views. My camera is off and I'm capturing this moment on my phone. Oh my God, it is so exciting. So actually, I know you can't see this view, but right behind me, that's the view that we have. Actually, we literally getting down and very close to falls and we actually need to cross that and then go somewhere inside this, and everybody holding their team and crossing the river, and but I'm sitting right here on this rock and waiting for my team to come so that we can just move all of them together so that we don't get missed. Guys, I finally made it to Dudhsagar. Oh my God, what do you see at the background? That's the waterfall. Whew, let me turn my camera around and show you this gorgeous fall. I'm very close to the waterfalls right now. Oh my God, what you see right behind me is a beautiful, majestic, milky sea. Oh my God, I just can't take my eyes off of it. Oh my God, this is such a glorious. I even changed my outfit to take a lot of photographs. It was so crazy, insane. I have been driving myself so crazily because it is so pitch and rocky and you will have to cross a lot of river to get this point. Wow. This is so cool. I know, I'm so excited. I know I've been saying this for a while, but you know, I just can't stop myself saying and screaming a lot of times. Wow. And I'm so glad and I'm so grateful that I made it happen today. Alright, we're done taking a lot of photographs, capturing a lot of moments and freezing these moments and capturing them in my camera. Wow, that's so great. And yes, we're still sitting right here. That's the girl. That's the girl who helped me taking a lot of pictures, and there is a friend next to me. He don't want to show off his face. Anyway, and I'm so excited. I'm so super happy today. So right now we got a lunch. We have the lunch which is packed from the resort, so we're gonna have our lunch and head back from here. I think it takes a lot of time, again 3 hours from here. Yeah, we should probably have a lunch here and then we should get started going back to resort. So probably it is 2:30 right now, and by the time we're gonna be reaching the resort, it's gonna be 5:30. I'm not sure about it. So yeah. I'm so happy. I know you've been hearing this a lot, but I just can't help it. Once more. Alright, this is where we're staying right now, and this resort named as a Jungle Book, and we 4 girls are sharing in this room. Please welcome home. Alright, this is our beautiful shared room that we have, and yes, of course, if you can see, this is all constructed with the rock and cement, which is very gorgeous. And we have a very tiny bed. Now please ignore this mess right now. I know we're just packing, we are in a hurry to just check out right now, and it's got super timed up and we're literally getting hurry right now. So please ignore this mess, whatever that we have. And yeah, the 4 plugs, and I literally wanted to say this, the light that we have, it's, what do you call that? This is actually coconut shell, which is gorgeously designed it. Like, I don't know, somebody who's very creative would like this, but of course I'm not a very creative person, but I totally loved it. And yeah, we have a very tiny wardrobe which we did not use it at all for sure. And yes, this is again a very tiny bathroom that we have. We did not have a hot water, but still we managed it. Please welcome to my bathroom. This is it. We got a mirror and we got a shower. That's all. Yes, this is about my room tour, and this is where we were staying. And yes, let's check out. Finally, we're taking off from Dudhsagar. We are at the station called Kolam or Kolam, not sure. However you wanted to spell it. So to talk about the Dudhsagar trek, oh my god, it was so super intense. It was like totally 25 kilometers that we walked, and wow, the total experience was so good and so it was so great, I could say. There's no word to express the experience that we had. And about the waterfalls, oh my god, it is such a majestic waterfall that we have experienced it today. I mean, to be honest, as I've been saying it, it is my dream destination to visit since such a long years. Oh my god, finally it happened. So yes, and I forgot mentioning this, guys. I think so many people, after posting the picture on Instagram, so many people have asked while crossing from Yeshwanthpur to Dudhsagar, in which direction the falls do come? It was on the left side,
Left
right?
side, yes.
It was on the left side, and from Castle Rock, and it's going to be around. From Castle Rock, it's going to be 25 kilometer. Though it is a night, you still can experience such a majestic white falls, like a milky fall. You still can see the falls from up above. Like, it was so crazy. I haven't experienced it. The girl who's standing right behind me is. They've seen, the entire team has been experienced the falls in the night. So I think I'm just gonna switch the camera and ask her how was the total experience.
Coming to Dudhsagar, it was like a dream come true place. And,
Definitely.
and it was so majestic and it was so awesome. And standing just right in the waterfalls is what, oh my god, it was damn good. And it was like everything excited, all the goosebumps. You can see it
Oh
right
my
here.
god, yes, I can see. Oh god. That's the Dudhsagar magic.
Yes,
I hope you had fun watching this video, and thank you so much for holding on me till the end. So right now it's like 12 o'clock and we're waiting for the train. As you can see, we're at the station, and I'll see you again. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. I'll see you again. Bye.